And now I would like to invite to the stage one of our oldest partners in ENCY, Andreas Reitz, because Andreas' team is not only selling ENCY products, but also developing your own products. And now Andreas will tell us about KUKA KRL Editor. Okay, welcome.
Wow, a lot of new features, a new CRM system, and in my opinion, it looks pretty good. What we see here in ENCY version 3. So yes, for my presentation, I prepared some information about the situation we have maybe in Germany, maybe also in your countries. Very often, the customers start with robots. Maybe they want to buy a robot, the first one. They have no experience in robots, maybe not so much experience in milling, and then they want to start to make programs for the robots. Very often we see that the problem is not the CAM product. So in this case, ENCY works very well, that's not a problem. But the connection between the CAM product and the robot could be a problem. So, for example, we make a program in ENCY, and then comes the real robot. So, customer goes to the robot. At the robot, maybe he think, okay, I forgot to change the speed and feed. I want to change it. He go back to the CAM product. At the CAM product, he make a new program. Okay, go back to the robot. Then he think, oh, I forgot the base. It's the wrong base, and I'll go back to the CAM product. Sometimes there is an HMI where I can solve this problem, but very often in our cases there's no HMI. They work really with the KUKA controller, and to change a program or to change a base in the KUKA controller is very tricky. Especially if you have no experience in KUKA robots, it is not so easy. And we work very close together with KUKA in Germany, and they ask us about a solution, browser-based solution to solve exactly these problems. Right now there is a solution, maybe you know them, it's, the name is Orange Apps, it's an editor. This editor is from a company in Germany, it's totally free, but the problem is it works only on Windows. And the new KUKA robots works on Linux. And this is a problem for the new robots, but also for the old one, because it is not possible to work with other systems than Windows. And that's exactly the reason why we start to develop a software. And this software is online. It's very similar to Orange Apps. It is an editor and it's totally free. The question is, how can we make money with a software which is totally free? It is a tool. We do not make money with the editor, but we try to sell ENCY together with this editor. So the customers see, okay, editor works perfect for us. It's exactly what we need. And so for sure, we need also a good CAM product. And then they came to us and say, okay, we need more. The editor is not enough. For the first 3 weeks, we started 3 weeks ago with the editor. And we have on the website 1,500 customers who try the software and who download the software. So you see there is really potential. Okay, what I want to do, I want to show you first of all what is the editor, what can we do with the editor, and after that I make a very short live presentation. Okay, you are all resellers, so you know live presentation is live. I hope it works. Okay, first of all about me. I think a lot of resellers knows me. So my name is Andreas Reitz. I'm the owner from Datentechnik Reitz. We have a very long story together with ENCY and with Sprutcam, more than 20 years. We working together, and yes, we have experience in robot machining, additive manufacturing, simulation, and for sure post-processors. Okay, here's the first picture. This is we call it KRL Editor, KUKA robot language. It's right now, it's only for KUKA, nothing else. No IBB or no any other robots. It's right now only for KUKA. And there is the link. You can use it for free. Right now, it is hosted at our website, but for sure it's also possible to host it at your website. It is possible to host it at customer site and so on. So this is right now at our website, but it's not necessary. Okay, what means that? What is the editor? First of all, it is a free web editor for KUKA programs. It is directly in the browser, no installation, no setup. You can use it at a mobile, you can use it with your Mac, you can use it with your Windows, and you can use it with Linux, no problem. It's totally developed by our company. We have a one-time registration. If the customer, it's also for free, he can register, and in this case, he has some more features, but without registration, it's also possible to work with the software. It is for integrators, it's for programmers, and it is for operators. What we have in the editor, for sure, syntax highlighting, intelligence, very important. Autocomplete, we show in live later. Definitions, real syntax check. Block editor, for example, to change more than one lines. Inline forms, so you can work with KUKA programs with DAT files or without DAT files. We have a tool and base management system. In this case, we can get the tools and the base information from ENCY and put it in the editor. So it's pretty easy to combine it. Coordinate calculator, for example, you go to robot and okay, you see, I want to change my whole program 100 millimeter more to the right side. It's not necessary to go back. You can make it directly at your mobile phone and you have a new program. It's pretty easy. Macro management, you can create your own macros for signals or whatever you want. And so it's very easy to add some signals. Very important for us is to share the code in a community. Community could be a whole community, could be also only in your company, or could be you together with your customers. So that means we make the program, or the program comes from ENCY. We go to the editor, we can say create a link with a QR code, and he can make a photo from the QR code, and he can use the code wherever he is. It's very easy. Then we can read, for example, KUKA archives like WorkVisual. WorkVisual is similar, but also it is only possible in Windows. It's not possible in any other, in any other situation. So, community, create new program, browser, import and export. All this I show you later in live. Then we can save the positions and program overview. So all the positions we get, we can save, we can change, we can click the positions. We have a small simulation where we can see where are the positions are. It is not the same than ENCY. It's only that the customer can see, okay, what happens if I change something in my program. Multiple file opening and so on. So it is for integrators, it is for end users, what I say, but it's easier if I show you in live. Here we have the difference against other systems. Right now we have the KUKA editor, we have Orange app, and we have WorkVisual. These are the three options. Orange editor and WorkVisual is only working on Windows, nothing else. And then we have some other options, for example, no download, no installation, accessible from everywhere, always up to date because of the updates and so on. And this is possible. Here, over that, we have a possibility to make marketing, for example, in this editor. For example, if you say, okay, we have a new option inside ENCY, you can make a marketing banner or something like that. If we have a lot of customers who are using the editor, they see this promotion, and hopefully they want to buy the software. If you have more questions, please ask me. We stay here until Friday. Thanks.
Please stay on the stage. Yes? Thank you, Andreas. As always, informative, impressive, really useful, and our partners can reach you out during the conference if they have any questions. Yep. Thank you.